What's up, guys? For all you guys always ask me about, is the taxi sign real? Look at this. Yes, it's real. My batteries died. This thing's just so rusted. Gotta take off these screws. What taxi sign are we gonna buy next? There's magnets, plus it has the double tape 3M. But yeah, we need to hit this before we hit Malibu. So, I'm not trying to go cheap, but Energizer, when you guys are out, this coronavirus is wiping everything out. 6 new batteries, check. We working? Yeah, check. Double check, triple check, quadruple check. Keep checking, bam, bam. So, let's put it together now. Light is in. It's a taxi sign. It actually, when we first bought it, comes with these old light bulbs. This was before Gold Rush. These really old light bulbs. Took that out. Somebody gave me this great idea on, that has a magnet, just put it in your car, it won't fly off. We tried it at like 70, no, like 55, I think, flew off. So, somebody else gave me a great idea. Go to Home Depot, buy this light bar, Googled it, checked it out. Then we drilled the hole. We put one of these on. These normally come on all vehicles. When the dealership makes a hole in your door or something, look, check this out. Look, exact same one. This is rubbery, this is hard plastic. So, this is what we did. Put the light in there, so we put our finger, turns on, turns off. We leave it on. Sorry, leave it on. Put that on, nothing gets in it. But yeah, let's get it. We're almost done. Screws are not gonna grab on anymore. The thing's just so old. We gotta think about what kind of new light we're gonna get. So, I'm gonna glue it. 10 to 45 seconds. Got it. And there you go. Time to clean this bad boy up. So my lesson on this video is I glued the crap out of my finger and my nail. Glue all this stuff together. Lesson today is you need a trash can next to you. That's one. Number 2 is you should take pictures of everything you take apart, because you forget how a lot of things go back together. So hopefully you hold on, little buddy, because I'll be going fast today. We will be going fast today. Oh, I got a lot of rubber right there. Where we're going, we're gonna need you, buddy. Yeah. Guys, made it to where I was supposed to come, but look who hanged out. My friend. My taxi sign. Everything that I did basically worked. So let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna show you guys some cars right now. Not that much gas. Taxi signs on. The Viper. I like this car. I want to get like a ACR. Josh, super mas puto. Viper's insane. What? 3? Whoa, what? That one's sick. Shit's sick as hell. I like to walk around and enjoy the vehicles. This is badass. Shit's badass. My boy brought all his homies over. The Mopar, the Wang Wang, another Wang Wang, and let's get it. Guys, had fun Malibu. My light's still on. Kicked it with these guys, had a lot of fun. The other guys dipped on us, so let's see what's next. Let's see what's next, guys. Let's see what we bring next to you guys. But the light is still on.